Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another video from World Linguistics. My name is Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use por and para in Spanish. Por and para contain the following uses. Por is used when expressing favors, an action through something else or by a medium, doing something else on behalf of somebody else. Para is used when expressing purpose, destination, or outcomes. On the next few slides, we'll get into some examples. Por is used to express favors, but that was an example. Mario expresó que haría esto por mí. Mario expressed that he would do this for me. Por is used when expressing actions. Let's take a look at an example below. Se deslizó por el tubo de agua como un gusano. She slipped through the water tube like a worm. Por is used when doing something on someone else's behalf. Él firmó el papeleo por mí. He signed the paperwork for me. Para is used to express purpose. Voy a correr para conseguir los kilómetros. I'm going to run to get the kilometers. Para is used to express destination. Nosotros vamos para este barco allí. We are going towards that boat over there. Para is used for outcomes. Cuando Alberta dejó a su esposo, firmó el papeleo para divorciarse. When Alberta left her husband, she signed paperwork to divorce her husband.